So if you are similar with the Java classes, then you know it's very easy to manage the JavaScript classes. Okay, it is very similar. So we can take the class name to form a class and construct. See, in Java we basically use the the class name as a constructor, but you know in Java we have constructor. Constructor is the word. Constructor is the word that we use to form the constructor. Okay, we can pass the values, and we can pass the values to the constructor to initialize the class variables. Okay, to initialize the class variables, we use the constructor. So we have to use the constructor to produce class variables. And here it is age. So this is some kind of function used to return age. Okay. So this is a class instantiation. So we already discussed this. Class instantiation means
my car is
so my car is actually a variable. Okay, variable. New car means used to. So this is actually a constructor call. Okay, constructor call. This will call the constructor. This will call this one. Which value? Ford will be stored into the name, and 2014 will be stored into the year. Okay. Huh? Age means the age of the car. That means it will return the full year. Full year.
Full year is the age.
Yeah. So let us check it out. What is the output of this one? Classes. Oh. My car is 9 years old.
9 years old.
My car dot age means so it will return the date dot get the full year minus this year minus the year that I passed 2014 2023 minus 2014. So obviously 9 years. So age will return 9. So what I have printed there, my car is 9 years old, something like that. Okay. Functions.
Modern functions.
Yeah, function without argument, without return type. Hold on a sec. This is actually modern function. Huh? So what I'm going to discuss is the latest one. See here 0 means add 0 means function without arguments, without return value. Okay, I have called the function, and this particular content will be printed over there. And this is function with arguments and without return type. So I'm passing the 5 and 5 as the argument, and I'll get the 10 as result. Next one, function without arguments with return type.
7.
Yes, 11 will be returned into res, and I have printed the res. Function with arguments. See, function with arguments and with return type.
There is no value for it.
So 10 plus 20 will be pass it to the function, and 30 will be returned as a result. Okay, so this is it. This is the function. Yeah, right, exactly. So let's go with the anonymous function. So anonymous function is very easy. So there will be no name for the function. Where the path No, not that one. So this is actually a very important one. We can call this one as a modern function in JavaScript. So there is a modern syntax for the function, so that you know. So this is the general function that we declare. Okay, function name and flower brackets start, and we will write the function body, and we will call the function. But the same function can be written in the single line. F is the function name. F equal to parenthesis. Okay. And arrow, this is called as arrow function. So this is called as arrow function. F equal to parenthesis and equal to, this is the function body. This is function body. If there is any arguments, we can write here. Okay. And this is the function name. Function name, arguments,
Body.
function body can be written here. Okay. This is the thing. The function call. Now just look at this. Function F1, arguments, function body. Okay. I have passed the values 5 and 6. And just look at this one. F2. F2 is the function. Function name, 0 arguments. And 5 plus 5 will be returned. Okay. So they will be returned into res, and the result is printed. Function with arguments, a comma b is arguments, and a plus b will be returned. A plus b will be returned. Okay. So that I have written the function call inside the console.log, so that the result will be directly printed. 7 will be directly printed here. The return value a plus b will be returned and directly printed into the console.log. Okay. Next one, single argument arrow function. That means, you know, f4 equal to x. Console.log of x means, see, when you have single argument, you need not represent the brackets. In the above 4 types, I have mentioned the brackets, right? If you have single argument, you need not to represent the brackets. Directly 999 will be stored into the x, and that x will be printed in the function body. If you want to write the multiple lines, if you want to write the multiple lines for the arrow function, you can represent the flower brackets. That's it. Yes. So this is the modern function. Okay. And anonymous function. Did I told you this anonymous function? Anonymous function classes, concepts. These are actually, you know,